Good morning to all the students. Hope you all can see my screen. Today I will tell you how to differentiate in fractions. Okay, so now let's read the question here. Which pizza is more? They are asking us which pizza is more. You can see here are two pizzas. In fractions, we never see which one is bigger. We always see that which one has more parts. So, now for example, this pizza is of Sham. You can see the name. This is for Ram. Now, they want to know, now us actually wants to know that who is going to have more pizza. So now, carefully listen. Now, you will see how many parts we are going to get from this. You can see I'm going to write 1 and 2. So basically from both the pizzas I'm going to get 2 pieces. If you cannot see, I'm going to write again 1 and 2. So from both the pizzas you're going to get 2 pieces. Now see, what do you think? Which one I'm getting more? In this one or in this one? Careful, see. In this pizza we have very less corners, don't we? Yes. And in this the pizzas are equally divided and they are looking also yummy and bigger, right? In space, not in size, right? Not in space, in pieces, right? Now this is also not equal. So what do you think? Who get more in 2 pieces only? And only 2 pieces. So Sham got more. Why? Because as we can see in the parts, this fraction is not even equal, and if I get 2 parts from it, I will get less than Sham. But we want the equal, because fraction is equal, right? Fraction, we cannot say half a fraction, right? Fraction is properly divided, but this is not properly divided either. And here I'm getting less than Sham. Ram is getting less than Sham. Right. So now let's make a box to see who got more. So Sham got more pizza from Ram. Right. Now I will show you all one more example. Give me a second. Now it's time for dairy milk. We all write dairy milk, right? Alright. I'm going to rub all the things from the screen. Right, there we go. Here we go. So now let's start discussing. Now let's read the question. The question says Meera and Riya are 2 sisters. Now who got more? Now let me write here what is basically the question. Actually this is Riya's. This is Riya's. Now she is going to give this much part. You can see the line, the blue line. Okay, you cannot. So I'm going to draw it again by this, right? This red line is this whole half part to his mother. Okay, to her mother, right? Not his, I'm sorry. And this is Meera. So Meera is going to give this part equally, this part to his father. To her, I'm sorry, I'm again saying his, to her father. Now we want to see that how much is left with whom, and means how much means कितना ज़्यादा, how much कितना ज़्यादा किसके पास है, सबसे ज़्यादा किसके पास है, right? So I'm making a box here to explain you also. Now just take a look at these 2. So this pink line, you all can see this pink line which I'm circling out right now. Okay, let me just rub these. You all know that what I'm doing. So now this pink line is the line divider, means they have divided it into this much part. And now we'll rub this part, and this divider represents the pink line represents that this is of Mira's. I'm going to just zoom up to Mira's what I'm teaching. Okay, so I am saying everyone that these little lines which are drawn here represents that this is a divider, and there's a center divider also. So there are so many dividers of with Mira, right? So now let's go back and zoom out. Now we have more dividers in Mira's, we know, but look, we are giving this a half of the part now. So basically it is equal to, because it the father of Mira and Ria will get the same amount of chocolate, because now listen to the because we all can see here that the dividers are more, but we are giving this whole part now. So whole part doesn't count these dividers, because we will get this the broken chocolate, means divided properly. प्रॉपर मतलब कि हमें टूटे हुए हिस्सों में मिलेगा, पर हमें इतना ही हिस्सा मिलेगा जितना मीरा एंड रिया की मदर को मिला है, राइट? सो मीरा की मदर एंड मीरा के फादर को बिल्कुल सेम अमाउंट ऑफ मिला है, तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू, ऐसे से क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं. सो सॉरी, yes, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you all understood the concept. Now I will just stop sharing, and thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye.